title was to doing plowing, the Bushman man. That's why the local name HOBA means when they discovered something, then the plow gets stuck on top of it.
HOBA means
Discovered. Without, and these numbers is to identify the different type of trees. This is the hookthorn acacia of Acacia mellifera, the hookthorn. It can hurt you if you come very high speed.
Oh, right.
It can deduct your speed to go slow down, speed limit acacia. And this is the sun comnifera. The sun people, if they don't find the water sources, when they're thirsty, they come to dig the roots and chew it to get water to save their life. And then they are cut, and they say that it doesn't fall 80,000 years ago directly here. Otherwise, it can create a crater, huge crater, and disappear, get melted by core. It might become like low angle, very skews, and came like a skipping stone on top of water. That's why no big impact. And as you see, like a 4 square shape, 1, 2, 3 corners around, and the 4th corner other side look like a head side. It means it came through the atmosphere from this direction downward, skipping.
Okay.
This is the last place they have discovered. Long, 1 meter thick, and half a meter sinks underground. And square meter is 6.5 square meter. And it contains out of 3 main minerals. Iron 82.4%, nickel 16.4%, and cobalt for the cell phone battery is 0.76%.
It's got cobalt also.
And the rest of the elements have been traced with a small percent. Those are like carbon, silver, chrome, iridium, gallium, germanium, zinc, and copper, except no gold and no diamond. Otherwise, it will be gone, stolen away. And Americans in 1954, they wanted to buy this whole meteorite to take it to the historical museum. But luckily, because of the transportation, it was so heavy. That's why they couldn't load it. Luckily, it belongs to Namibia.
Thank you.
If you go climb up on top of a meteorite, you say like HOBA, Namibia, you can hear the echo. It's because of this amphitheater. And if you have a pacemaker machine implant heart, you cannot come closer because of strong magnetic field.
It's got a magnetic field.
All round compass, it keeps spinning because of that magnetic field. But the cell phone compass, the right knob is here, but it shows here with the iPhones. Really? Sometimes it drains the iPhone's battery low, shut down. It's become hot. You should stay longer.